Today I'm going to show you how to wind a bobbin. This is on a Bernina B330 sewing machine. First step is you're going to place your spool of thread on the spool holder, making sure that you're placing the circular part of the spool of thread on the holder. Second step is you're going to place your bobbin, the metal bobbin, onto the bobbin winder pole here. You're going to hear it, and you're also going to feel it snap into place. So you're going to grab your thread and you're going to follow the arrow directional signs by the bobbin winder tension disc. So here is a bobbin winder tension disc. You can feel there's a second plate underneath there creating the tension on the thread. You're going to follow the directional arrows and go from the front around to the back. And you're going to pull the thread so it's pretty tight, and you can see there's a little bit of tension on it. Then you're going to follow the directional arrows on the bobbin, which are saying to wrap the thread around in a clockwise direction. So you're going to wrap it around maybe 4 or 5 times so the thread is pretty secure on there. Then with your finger you're going to push over to the left this bobbin winder tension dial, and it's going to start threading your bobbin. Once the bobbin is finished winding, it will automatically stop. And it's important you don't have the thread going past the outside of the bobbin. Once the bobbin is full, you can lift up the bobbin. You can bring the thread underneath this bobbin tension disc. There is a razor underneath there. Trim the thread, and then you can put the bobbin in your bobbin case and it's ready to use.